Yeah.
Cannonball Cliffs. Cannonball Canyon. No, Cannonball Cliffs. It's called that.
Hello and welcome to day 3 at Lake Powell.
Can you smile? It's a video.
Smile at your mom.
Thank you.
Tell her what we're at.
Where are we at?
Powell enjoying the waves. Yeah.
Lake Powell enjoying the waves.
Today we're gonna swim, slide off the pontoon slide, ride jet skis, and enjoy exploring this beautiful beach.
Otherwise, you have to.
Hello. Hey, Mom. Does it show me when I fix it? No, I can.
My apologies, but this camera actually has a rattle in the audio when it gets wet. I'm sorry about that.
Hey, don't swim by him, Afton. Oh, apparently I didn't park it right.
Okay, don't worry about it.
It was a really hot day, but the water was still kind of cold when you first got in. After the initial coldness, you got used to it and it felt really good.
Put your face in. Do you want me to go put a camera on the boat?
Here she goes on a great big adventure.
This gorgeous beach lined with red rocks might look like nature's perfect jungle gym, but make no mistake, this desert is nothing short of hostile. The sun is so hot it could singe the hairs right off your head. Wearing a hat and sunglasses is an absolute must. And you can forget going barefoot in the sand because the sand here is so hot it could burn the skin off the soles of your feet. And don't let all the pretty little green plants fool you. Most of them are full of stickers. Despite all that, you just can't beat that blue water against the red and orange tones of the landscape. Isla just can't help it. She's got to follow in her big sister's footsteps.
If your feet are burning, come back.
Careful. Sand, always remember this. Sand never does what you want it to do. Step on. Oh.
Oh, you okay?
Yep. Tripped on my sandal wherever it is.
Right behind you. Yeah. Are you walking up over that way? Don't fall down. No, you're not going up there. I'm going up there.
That thing went up there.
No, she didn't. She went up over that.
Here, take the camera.
Nope.
Why not?
This is a lizard trail. See how it drags his tail?
I'm following.
That's
Look at this one.
a cat or a lion. Something. Oh, it might be somebody's dog.
Have you ever seen lizard tracks? They're adorable.
It's pretty neat up here.
I think Jordan got a fish.
Hey, Jordan got a fish with my pole.
So Grandpa kind of.
So, if someone catches a fish on your pole, does that mean you caught it?
Can you swim it?
Is it gross?
I can't.
We're close up to the edge.
It's so peaceful here. If you have a boat, it's really not that hard to find a spot that's mostly all to yourself.
Turn the floor.
Never even tried to make softballs in the first place, remember? See? There's no evidence of us trying to make softballs. I don't know what to do! Water digs out space over thing! All I'm gonna do is get a bucket and pour water on it. And get ready? You get it?
something.
Well, then get over here and get me.
Yeah, I'm ready. Don't have a bucket?
Got Uncle Jordan working overtime.
Yeah. Get that back on. Get digging.
Well, it was time to leave the beach. I actually took off and my hat was about to fly off my head, so I stopped to take my hat off and I put it on my wrist. And when I did that, I'm pretty sure my sunglasses fell into the lake to join probably thousands of other sunglasses at the bottom of this lake. I ended up catching up with the pontoon and borrowing a pair of Wesley's extra sunglasses because it's really hard to jet ski without them.
This is my favorite part. These big giant cliffs. Pelted myself. Water. Oh, here comes the sun again. We're back. We are headed back to the boat. I don't know if you can hear me because of the water, but we're in a no wake zone, so we're speeding around.
If you enjoyed coming with us on this lake day, smash that like button, and we hope that you're subscribed so that we can see you on the next adventure. That's all for today. Bye!